I'm Judith Woodsworth. I'm the President and Vice Chancellor of Concordia. And I want to tell you about last fall when I was installed as President. There was a very special committee whose job it was to create events around the installation. And what I asked for at that time was an installation ceremony that would be part of graduation so that I could celebrate along with the students. And I also asked for a showcase of Concordia's talents. And so we had, at that time, an event where we enjoyed music, dance, theater, the performing arts, along with a video that illustrated some of the innovative research done at Concordia. But the video wasn't enough to capture it all. So I said at that time that we would have a President's Conference series that would showcase even more of the exciting, innovative research that's done at this university. And so today I'm very pleased to welcome you to the inaugural session of the President's Conference series. L'Université Concordia se trouve au centre des connaissances et de recherches originales qui s'attaquent à certains des problèmes et des enjeux les plus pressants de l'humanité. Les travaux interdisciplinaires, voire interfacultaires, effectués chez nous reflètent non seulement la réalité d'aujourd'hui, mais ils incarnent aussi le dynamisme de notre réflexion, de notre enseignement et de nos recherches. J'espère que les jeunes étudiants qui sont parmi nous aujourd'hui seront encouragés à poursuivre leur cheminement universitaire et envisager de faire carrière dans la recherche. Many high school and CEGEP students will be attending today, and in particular this afternoon's session on the Addictive Network, or watching it by webcast in their own schools. Concordia is a good place for them to consider pursuing their dreams. At the same time as organizing today's session, we have been busily preparing upcoming President's Conference sessions based on other topics that are included in our strategic research plan. So stay tuned after today and you'll hear about the next ones. So getting back to today, this is the first of 3 sessions being held under the theme of Understanding Desire. This morning, we look at the relationship between the brain and reward in a session called Appetite, Anticipation, and Drug Addiction. This afternoon, we will take a fascinating look at teen friendships and social networking and at our increasing dependence on technologies such as video games and the internet in a session on the Addictive Network. This evening session, finally, will explore the relations between self, sexuality, desire, and society. So I welcome you to this series, and I invite you to be an active participant. After the session, there will be opportunities to ask questions or to comment on the presentations, and I really encourage you to do so. I would also encourage you, as ever, to send comments to me personally to my email, which is easy to remember, president@concordia.ca. I invite all of your reactions, large or small. And now it's my pleasure to introduce our Vice President, Research and Graduate Studies, Dr. Louise Dandurand, who will present this morning's topic and introduce our very fine speakers. So welcome again, and thank you to everybody. And in particular, I want to thank Dr. Olivier Diance, who has been the prime mover in not only today's event, but way back when for my installation, and I want to thank him for his inspiration. Thank you, Olivier. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you very much, Judith. Il me fait plaisir de joindre ma voix à celle de Mme Woodsworth pour vous souhaiter la bienvenue à cette conférence inaugurale ce matin et à toute la journée. It is wonderful to be amidst this large gathering for the inaugural President's Conference series, Understanding Desire. The presentations for this event will address phenomena and issues that affect us all, individual or as member of society. Today's event, entitled Brain and Reward, Appetite, Anticipation, and Drug Addiction, and our moderator is Dr. Graham Carr, Associate Dean of Research and Graduate Studies at the Faculty of Arts and Science. Our presenters, Dr. Jane Stewart, Dr. Huri Shalev, and Dr. Shimon Amir of Concordia's Department of Psychology will discuss the relationship between the brain and reward by exploring the links between the physiological impulses that control appetite, anticipation, and addiction. These researchers are renowned experts in the study of fundamental brain mechanisms underlying motivation and learning. All three presenters are members of Concordia's Center for Studies in Behavioral Neurobiology, a center whose highly acclaimed reputation they have helped build. The CSBN is the only center housed in a university without a faculty of medicine that has received funding by Quebec Health Research Funding Agency, the Fonds de la Recherche en Santé du Québec, Groupe de Recherche. In this opening presentation, we will hear from Dr. Jane Stewart, who holds a chair in appetite and addiction studies. Professor Jane Stewart's most recent research is concentrated on the behavioral and neurochemical studies of conditioning and sensitization to stimulant and opioid drugs, as well as their role in drug self-administration and relapse. Professor Stewart was elected Officer of the Order of Canada in 2007, received the Distinguished Achievement Award from the European Behavioral Pharmacology Society in 2005, and was elected a Fellow of the Royal Society of Canada Academy of Science in 1996, only to highlight a few awards among a long list of her achievement. The second presenter is Dr. Huri Shalev, who holds a Canada Research Chair in Neurobiology of Drug Abuse. Professor Shalev's current research focuses on reward-obtaining directed behavior and the brain mechanisms involved in the loss of control on eating, resulting in obesity or eating disorder. Dr. Shalev is also investigating the interaction between the development of mental disorders and drug abuse due to early environmental experiences. Professor Shalev received the National Institute on Drug Abuse Intramural Research Program Postdoctoral Excellence in Research Award in 2002 and has authored articles from renowned publications such as the Journal of Neuroscience and Pharmacological Reviews. Our final presenter to this session will be Dr. Shimon Amir. Professor Amir holds a Concordia University Research Chair in Psychology, and his research interests are primarily in the area of circadian rhythms. Dr. Amir uses molecular, neuroanatomical, psychological, and behavioral approaches to study the nature, regulation, and function of circadian oscillators important in stress, motivation, and emotion. Professor Amir was elected Fellow of the Royal Society of Canada, Academy of Science, 2008, Fellow of the Canadian College of Neuropsychopharmacology, and Fellow of the American Association for the Advancement of Science in 2007. Today's researchers present their findings and insight with much enthusiasm that I imagine we all share, but this is really your speakers series, and I hope you will bring your own observations, insights, and questions to the discussion during the question and answer period following the presentation. I would now invite the three presenters for this morning's session to come on stage, and I will ask Dr. Stewart to make the first presentation.